Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI and I want to show you guys these amazing shorts that I have got. These are so fantastic for the summer. These are the Conceited Butterfly Soft High Waist Flowy Shorts. They're 92% polyester and 8% spandex. They do have a 3-inch elastic waistband, which is really nice and stretchy. And the inseam is about 4 to 5 inches in length. And this is suitable for all body types. It does have the pleats at the back so that it's able to stretch and move with your body. Even the sides, they stretch out. They have this nice, amazing, if you can see, it's like an elastic that'll stretch with you. It also has 2 pockets on each side, which you can use, which is amazing. I love anything that has pockets. These are comfortable, they're stylish and functional, perfect fit and butterfly soft fabric. I'm not kidding. This fabric is so soft. I do love the fact that it is air wick friendly, so it's quick drying. I've used them when I've had to clean the pool sometimes. I just jump in, I'll bring them to the beach, throw them on. Love to play outside. You can exercise in them. They are fantastic. They have so many uses that I absolutely love them. They also come in so many different colors, so you don't just have to get black. You can pick whatever color you want. That's just my point of view.